Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So as you can see it right here, we are at the official GitHub page for Nugget and we have a new version, Nugget 6. In this video, we will see what's working on the latest iOS 26 and we will also see and check out the new status bar tweaks. Nugget is completely free and you can use it to customize or tweak your iOS devices without a jailbreak. Before you can even use it, simply scroll down, select your operating system. So I'm using Windows. You will have to either install Apple Devices app from the Microsoft Store, as you can see it right here, or you can install iTunes from the official Apple's website to your Windows computer. Also, please note that Python is not required as it is built into Nugget. For this video, the device we are using is an iOS 26 device, which you can see is fully updated. Now let's get the latest version for Nugget. You can get it under releases. So the latest version right now is version 6. You can scroll down and see the new features and we have some bug fixes. You can see under assets, it is now available also for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. We are using Windows, so I will get this file. You can see I got the file. I have extracted it by right clicking and I'm now in the Nugget folder. Before you can open Nugget, make sure that you connect your device via USB and then open Nugget. Alright, as you can see, my device is now properly detected on iOS 26. Before you can even use Nugget to customize or tweak your device, make sure that you turn off Find My iPhone or Find My iPad by going into your account settings. After the process is complete, it is perfectly safe to turn it back on and it is recommended. Now, first of all, we have the poster board. Now, if you want to learn how to add animated video wallpapers or animated wallpapers using poster board, I have already made complete guides outlining it. They are in the description, including pocket poster. Next, we have the status bar tweaks. As you can see, you can modify or tweak or customize a lot here. You can hide different icons. You can change the breadcrumb text. Now, if I hit on modify here, you can see that I can now change the carrier text. So I will put a check mark here and you can type whatever you want. You can also add emojis. So on your Windows computer, hit Windows plus period or dot, all right, and you will see these emojis right here. So for example, I will add this emoji. You can also change the service badge text, and if you want to add an emoji, same Windows plus period, you can add it here. You can also do so with the secondary carrier. You can also change the status bar time text. So for example, all right, you can also switch the Wi-Fi strength to numeric. You can also do so with cellular also, and of course you can hide or always show a lot of icons right here. Now, if you check out Miscellaneous, we have Springboard, internal and daemons. If you go to settings and turn this setting on and then again go to Miscellaneous, you will see this additional setting. Now in Springboard, you can change the lock screen footnote. You can customize a lot of options. In internal, you can show the build number in status bar. You can also change the layout. You can also show the touches with debug info, add vibrate on raise to wake, play sound on paste, go back, and under daemons, if you hit on modify, you can disable the OTA daemon, and you can see with that, you can also disable a lot of other daemons. Now under this option, you can also disable OTA using another method, and you can disable the thermal monitor D daemon. Now, if you go to settings, you can also enable supervision. You can simply hit this checkmark. All right. Make sure skip setup is enabled. Then go to apply and then hit apply changes. Your device will then restart. All right. After the device is back after the restart, you can see we have the modified or customized name here with the emoji, and you can see we can see the touches. The lock screen footnote is working. If you go to settings, you can see the supervised mode is also working fine. And if I open the control center, you can see We have the emoji with the carrier name or instead of the carrier name, and we can see the build number in the status bar. So everything is working fine. Alright, you can now see the name and the emoji clearly instead of the time. Yes, vibrate on raise to wake is working fine. The OTA daemon, if you go to settings, go to general, go to software update, you can see it is now disabled, so it will keep checking for updates. Now if you want to get back to stock, you can go to apply, then hit remove all tweaks. Your device will now restart. Alright, once you are in after the restart, you can see the device is back to stock, the footnote is gone, the status bar is back to normal. You can see it right here, everything is back to stock. And if you go to settings, go to general, software update, you can see the OTA daemon is also enabled. One thing to notice is that you will have to turn off supervision yourself manually. You can easily go to settings and then uncheck enable supervision and then hit remove all tweaks again. After the restart, if you open settings, you can see the supervision is now disabled. And that's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.